These are the real Jamaican Bulla combo. Soft, spicy ginger Bulla served with cheese and ripe pear. Pure yard-style goodness. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Teika's kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Alright guys, and these are all the ingredients you'll need to make this bold and flavorful Jamaican ginger Bulla. I'll be introducing them as we go along. So to our bowl, we're adding all the dry ingredients. First up is our all-purpose flour, followed by the baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar there as well, giving that a good whisk, followed up with our fresh ginger. Alright, so we're just stirring together so all can combine nicely. And we're using the muffin method, which simply means we put all dry ingredients in one bowl, all the liquid ingredients in a separate bowl, and then we'll combine them together. So for our liquid ingredients, we're using water, ginger extract, melted butter, as well as some vanilla. Alright, up next is our molasses, but before we pour it into our measuring spoon, a little hack here is just to use some little oil to grease it so that the molasses will fall out of the spoon nicely. Alright, and just like that, falling off real nice, real good. Look at that, guys. You see how clean that spoon is? So anything that you're measuring that is thick, a little hack is just to grease the measuring spoon or the measuring cup, and it will just fall right out. And we're doing the same thing here for our browning because it's on the thicker side. Now the browning is optional, you don't have to use it, but if you want your bullas to be on, on the darker side, you can use a little browning there, giving that a good whisk. By the time you know it, it's gonna be time to marry these two together. But just before we combine them, guys, we have to ensure that the thing mixing real good, And just like that, we're using our liquid to create the dough. Now, if you find that you will need some more liquid to form your dough, all you need probably is just like a tablespoon or a teaspoon of water to let it combine fully. In my case, I needed just a tablespoon there. And we're kneading away to get this Bulla nice and combined. Just like that, guess what? It's now time to flour our surface. Alright, now we're flouring the surface because we don't want the dough to stick to our working surface and we don't want it to stick to our hands. You don't want to over knead either because you don't want your Bulla to be too hard and too chewy. But yes, on the firmer side, but not too firm. Okay, we're going to use our rolling pin to roll it out, and we are going to cut about, I say, 4 inches circle thereabout. And just like that. Now this texture is looking like this because I added the grated ginger, but if somehow you're able to get the powdered ginger, that would work perfect as well. But what I did was use the grated ginger along with some ginger extract. Alright, and with the remaining of our dough, we knead lightly, roll lightly as well, and we are just cutting out. Alright, we're not wasting nothing. And I think we can get just one more from that scraps of dough there on our board, and we'll do just that, guys. And they're nice and ready for the oven. Now after about 25 to 30 minutes thereabout, they were nice and ready. Now this recipe yields 8 bullas, right? And while they're nice and hot, we're just brushing with some melted butter. Now when I tell you about this aroma, oh my goodness, guys, this aroma is something else. I tell you, I can barely wait to serve up. It's like I just want to bite into what it is right now. Oh my goodness. Now, fun fact, Bulla and cheese is one of Jamaica's most iconic pairings. The sweet spiced molasses Bulla balances perfectly with savory cheddar. It was once a popular school snack and roadside treat across the island. Now watch the magic come together. Soft ginger Bulla, thick slices of cheddar, and creamy avocado. A true island combo. Simple but full of love. Just like how we used to have it growing up. Comfort on a plate. And just like that, a true taste of Jamaica, right from my kitchen to yours. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more island flavors. Wanna explore more Jamaican dishes? Head over to my Jamaican Fiesta playlist. It's packed with all your favorite yaad-style meals from Bulla and Aki to curry goat and oxtail. So tell me, which side are you having first? The cheesy bite or the pear slice? Drop it in the comments below.